Hi! In front of me is Nokia 6310 and today I would like to show you how you can pick font size on this device. First of all, go into menu and access device settings. Now choose display settings, scroll down and go into font size. Over here you can adjust font size for your messages, contacts and menu. So all you need to do is click on one of those phone features and select one of the fonts. I will go with large one. As you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!